In this video, we will learn how you can automatically send a Twilio SMS when new issue is created in Jira Service Management. Now, let's say you run a business and you use Jira Service Management for work management purpose. Now you want every time an issue is created in Jira Service Management, a Twilio SMS should be sent to an assigned person. Now, we will automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. So, let us come to my screen and see how we do this. To automatically send a Twilio message when a new issue is created in Jira Service Management, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up for free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. You will simply write Jira Service Management to Twilio. Create. Okay, it will show you two windows, trigger and action. So trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. Our entire automation process would be based on these two steps. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a sales is made, and action can be send a message to the customer or owner. In our case, a trigger can be when a new issue is created in Jira Service Management, and action can be send a Twilio message to your agent or your team member. Let us begin. For trigger application, let us select Jira Service Management. For trigger event, we will select new issue created. It triggers when a new issue is created in a project. Now it will show you a webhook URL. A webhook URL is basically a link that connects two applications. So let us copy this. And we will now go to Jira Service Management where we have to paste this. So for that, let us read these instructions. Log into Jira Service Management account. Yes, I'm already logged in. Navigate to project settings, automation, then create a rule. Okay, now let us go to Jira. Here on the left hand side, you will see at the bottom project settings. Click there. Again on the left, if you will scroll down, you will see automation. Okay, it's loading. Then come to the top right corner, you will see create rule. And from all components, select issue triggers like it is mentioned here. You can see select issue created from issue trigger section. Okay. So here, this is the issue trigger section. We will select issue created. Just save. Now we will select new action. Now let us see what it says. Click yes, we clicked on new action. Then send web request under notifications section. Okay. Here let us find notifications. Then send web request. Now here we will have to paste the URL. Exactly this one. Yes, you can read here. Copy the webhook URL and paste it under the URL field. Then select issue data in Jira format from web request body. All right. Let us paste this. Then scroll down from web request body. We have to select issue data Jira format. Okay. Let us save it. Now it will ask you the name. So we will simply write test trial. You can name whatever you want. Turn it on. And you will see it says your automation has been turned on. All right, now you will see it is here waiting for webhook response. So let us do a quick test submission to see if it is able to capture the response. Let us go to Jira. Now again back to projects. Here I will just create a dummy project or dummy issue. Okay, so these are the issue types. You can see IT help, service request, and so on. So we will take IT help here. Summary would be integration issue, integration problem. Okay, due date let us select. Let us select it for maybe Thursday, that is 18th August. And let me assign it to Pabbly apps. Okay, so we are good to go. Let us create this. And it says you have created, like you can see. Here it is, integration problem. Now let us go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured the response. Exactly, you can see the issue key is demo 21, like you can see here. And if you scroll down, you will see the issue type, that is IT help, that we had selected from the drop down. And if you scroll down, you will see the priority level, that is medium. And if you scroll down, you will see the problem, that is the field summary integration problem, and so on. This means we have successfully connected Jira Service Management with Pabbly. Now on to our next step, the action step. We will select router here. Okay, so what happens is we will consider two conditions here. Let's say, let me first take you to here, Jira. So like you can see the issues here, IT help, task, service request, and so on. So let's say we are considering two conditions here. First, when a request or an issue is created with this issue type, IT help, a Twilio message should be sent to person or team X. Similarly, the other would be when the request or issue is created with this, you can say service request, the message or Twilio message should be sent to person Y, the other person. So considering these two conditions, we are using router here. Okay, so let us just set this. So here in the label, we will map it from Jira Service Management. Let me search using, yes, the issue type. We will take issue type as IT help. Value we will write IT help. So we want when the issue type is equals to IT help, then send a message to person X. Let me just save and send test request. Yes, so here you will see the condition is true. Why? Because the request that we captured, the response that we had captured initially had the issue name as IT help. And now when this condition meets, the message, Twilio message would be sent to specific agent. We'll see it here. Now for the action, we will select Twilio. Action event would be send SMS message, connect, add new connection. All right, we'll have to give these details here. Account SID, authorization token, and account SID once again. So that means 2 times we will have to give account SID. So for this, let us go to Twilio. All right, here is my dashboard and you can see account SID. Let us copy this, come back to Pabbly, paste it here as well as here. Now for the authorization token, let us again go back to Twilio. You'll see this auth token here. We will click on show, then copy it and paste it. Let us save. Okay, so here we will write the body of the SMS. So we'll write hi. Then comes the assignee's name, so which we are going to map from here. Let me map from here. Okay, here's the assignee name. You can see Pabbly apps. When the issue was created there in Jira, we had assigned this to this person, Pabbly apps. So we will send the message to them. Hi, Pabbly apps, and issue. Now we will map the issue name, that was integration. Yes, an issue. Integration problem was created, was reported. Due date is, we will map the due date again from Jira. Okay, here is the due date. Kindly look into it. Okay, so here you can read, hi, the name of the person who the task is assigned to, an issue, again we have mapped an integration problem was reported, the due date is this, so kindly look into it. So now what will happen is, whenever any request with IT help with this is created, with this issue type is created, message would be sent to this agent. Okay, so first let us give the sender number. So for this we will again go to Twilio, and right here you will see the phone number. Let us copy this and paste it. Now it needs recipient number, that is the agent's number. It has to be in +91 format, that is plus and your country's code. So now let us paste this. Okay, I'll just paste it here. So now let us just save and send test request. Okay, says response received. So what will happen is, whenever an issue type, a request or an issue is created with the issue name IT help, the Twilio message will automatically be sent to on this number to this agent. Okay, I'll show you the message. Now let us save this. Okay, and close. Now for route 2. Now again we will map it from here, Jira Service Management. If you'll scroll down, you will see issue field, issue type, that is IT help. So now what we want is, here I'll show you, instead of IT help, if we receive an issue with this service request, so it should be sent to some other person, some other agent. So here I will just write service request. Okay, so now when we save and send test, you will see it will show error, condition is false. Why? Because we have in the response that we captured, the issue type that we got was of IT help and not of service request. So now when this happens, when we receive an issue with service request, a Twilio message would be sent to some other agent or other person of the team. So let us select this Twilio. For action event, again we will select send SMS message, connect. Since we were already connected to Twilio, we will now go with select existing connection, save. Now body of the SMS, again we will write hi, and you can map the person's name here like how we did in our first step. So I will simply write agent 2. Then we will write an issue has been issue. We will map it again from here. Yes, has been created with due date. Again we will map in the due date. Please check. Okay, then comes the sender number. Again for this we'll go to Twilio, we'll copy this and paste it. So here for recipient number, we will just paste the contact number of the person who do you want to send the message when any issue is created with this service request. All right, let us save and send test request. And it says response received. I'll show you the message. All right, now let us just save this. close. So now what will happen is whenever an issue is created in Jira Service Management, the workflow will first see the issue type, that is if it is IT help, like you can see here, or service request, and then will accordingly send messages to separate team members so that they can look into their issues. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.